If you've ever wondered how people are making money reviewing random items from their household that they already own and use and getting paid over and over again, then this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down the Amazon Influencer Program, how it's different from the Amazon Affiliate Program, the two-step approval process, the mistakes to avoid, and how you can actually earn high commissions. But first off, what is the Amazon Influencer Program? The Amazon Influencer Program is a program where you earn a commission by making short product review videos that appear directly on Amazon product pages. So let's say someone's already shopping on Amazon and they are watching videos. They stumble upon your video, they watch it, they make a purchase after watching your video, you then earn a commission. This is a very simple process. You don't need a large following, you don't need to have any experience, you don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. A lot of people get mixed up between the Amazon Affiliate Program and the Amazon Influencer Program, but here's a simple breakdown. For the Amazon Affiliate Program, you share links to products, and when someone clicks on your links and make a purchase, you earn a commission. Traffic is your responsibility because these links that you share, you put them on your social media platforms, driving traffic from social media to the Amazon account. But for the Amazon Influencer Program, your content lives on Amazon, so you don't have to drive traffic from anywhere. Amazon is going to bring the traffic to you. And every time somebody makes a purchase, then you still earn a commission. But the difference is the commissions for the Amazon Influencer Program are called on-site commissions, while those for the affiliate program are called off-site commissions. And you have to do the work to drive traffic from social media, from a blog post, or from wherever to Amazon. That is why the Amazon Influencer Program is very powerful. You don't have to do too much. People are already shopping on Amazon, they already trust Amazon, and your reviews are being hosted on product pages. You know, when you're trying to buy something and you just want to see a few reviews of people that have used the products, that's where your video is going to show up. So your job is to help customers make informed decisions. If you've used a product and you know how this product has helped you, those are the simple things you have to say in the video. So, okay, I love this product, it helped me in this way. Or if there's any special features or anything special they need to know about it, you can say it in the video. Those little incentives or those little perspectives from you using the product help the buyer to make an informed decision, and at the end you get a commission from that. So after knowing what the Amazon Influencer Program is, the difference with the affiliate program, how do you actually get started, or how do you actually become an Amazon influencer? It's a simple two-step approval process. The first stage, you have to link your social media account to your Amazon account. You can link your Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. For Facebook, if you want to use your Facebook, it has to be a Facebook page and not your regular Facebook profile. So Amazon wants to check and see that, okay, this profile is owned by you, you're not stealing someone's content, or it's not an illegitimate profile. They want to know that this content or this page is owned by you, you're a real person. They want to also see that you have some form of engagement. They don't really care about follower count. They just want to see that you have some form of engagement and you're active on your page. So once you do the first stage of the process by linking your Amazon account to your social media account, it's going to tell you immediately if you've been approved or not. You get a success screen telling you that, oh, congratulations, you're approved for the Amazon Influencer Program. If you don't get accepted that first time, you get a denial message saying you should try the affiliate program. Now, this first stage, you don't have to worry. If you don't get approved the first time, you can always try again, because they want to see some form of engagement. So if you don't get approved today morning, you can go ahead and post videos on your social media platforms, try to get engagement from that, and you come back later in the evening and you try to apply again. There's unlimited trials for you to apply for the first stage of the process. Okay, if you get approved, now you move on to the second stage of the approval process, which is uploading 3 shoppable videos onto the Amazon platform. These videos they don't have to be long. You don't have to be a get ready with me vlog or something. Keep it short and simple, between 30 seconds to 60 seconds, but make it informed. For example, let's say you want to review this cocoa butter massage cream. You hold it up, show the product clearly, because the review, it's about the product, not about you. You show the product clearly. You can say, okay, this is the cocoa butter massage cream, and here is my honest review. You talk about what it does, who it's good for, how it has helped you, and if there's any special features. So I can say, okay, this is the cocoa butter massage cream. I got this when I was pregnant to help me with stretch marks. That's what it does, and I've used it over time. I even used it after pregnancy, and this helped me greatly to reduce the stretch marks that I have on my tummy. This is a great product for anyone who is pregnant or any mom who still has stretch marks, to help you clear out all of that stretch marks on your tummy. I can also put the directions like, okay, it doesn't work immediately, but you have to use it over time for you to be able to see results. You see how honest it is? It's just simple. This is something you're already using, so it'll be easy for you to talk about it. And if you want to choose products, especially for your first 3 videos, don't do anything complicated. Choose very simple things. You can do baby items, kitchen items, some tech accessories, things that you can really talk about, something that you're really using and you speak fluently on the video. Make sure you have a clear audio, you have a clear video. Make sure you don't have any background music, because they'll consider background music as copyrighted music. And make sure that you show the product clearly. Once you are approved for the first stage, you then get access to a storefront. So once you do these 3 videos, you upload them on the Amazon platform and you have to wait. Amazon takes anywhere between 3 days to 2 weeks to review these videos. It's manual review, so somebody has to come and check it to see that the video follows all the terms and services and it doesn't go against any policies. And once the reviews are completed, you will now see that your back end will be unlocked. You'll be able to see reporting and you'll be able to do more things from the back end. And then you just have to continue making more review videos like these ones and you upload them on Amazon. Another difference between the affiliate program and influencer program is, for the influencer program, you get an Amazon storefront, like an Amazon shelf where you can put all your reviews. For affiliate, you don't have it, just the links. I also have a video up. You can check out this video on how you can set up your storefront once you are approved for the Amazon influencer program. Now, here are some mistakes to avoid when you're being approved for the Amazon influencer program. Amazon is very strict and they have some things that they don't want you to talk about, and if you do these things, you can easily be kicked out of the program. The first things, they don't love you, they don't want you showing your earnings. You shouldn't show the back end of your Amazon account. If at all you have to show your earnings for social proof or anything, you can screenshot it and just take only the part where it has the amount, or you can actually write down the amount, or you download the reporting and you share it with somebody. Sharing your back end is one of the easiest ways you can get kicked out of the program. Number 2, they don't want you comparing prices. Don't say, this is cheaper, don't buy this, or buy this. Don't compare 2 products and don't talk about pricing. Just do your reviews. Don't tell people about pricing. Amazon prices are always fluctuating. Today it might be $12, tomorrow is $9. That is why they don't want you to do pricing. The third thing you should avoid, don't have music at the background. They don't want copyrighted music. Your video should be plain and simple, just your voice and you talking on the video. Number 4, you shouldn't have kids in the video. If at all you have to use kids in your video, an adult has to be present, but just a kid by themselves, it's not accepted. The next thing, they don't also want you to show QR code or any address. So if you're making a video and let's say there's a QR code showing on the item or an address or even just a street sign, it's like you exposing your personal information. That is not accepted. They don't also want you talking about making medical claims. You can review vitamins and stuff, but you shouldn't say, okay, this is treating that. You're not a medical doctor and you're not here to give a prescription. You're just here to help people do informed decisions. So if you can avoid to talk about medical claims, then just try to avoid it. I'll also link down the terms of services so you can read it for yourself and you go through it over and over again and you make sure that you're linking or you make sure that you're following the terms of service. Lastly, when you're on Amazon as an influencer, if you want to share your links to your social media platforms, you always have to disclose that you earn a commission. Amazon doesn't want it to be like it's a secret or anything. If you're sharing your links to your stories, to your Instagram, your Facebook, include there that as an Amazon associate, you earn a commission from the purchases that they will make. Just you being transparent. I also have a video up for the different things to avoid. I'm also going to link that up here. I really cannot talk about all of them off by heart, but I've just given the main points for things to avoid for the Amazon influencer program. Here are some best practices on how you can earn high commissions with the Amazon influencer program. First things, you need to check best-selling products. So if you go to your Amazon platform, you see on the tab up there, you can see bestsellers. You can check among those bestsellers, the things that you have at home, you can review them. It's also good for you to make your review videos before the season begins. So I'm making this video today, February, this is January ending. Valentine's Day is around the corner. You can start reviewing your Valentine's Day's product right now before it's time. So once people are already shopping for Valentine's Day, they come onto your page, they can easily see the things that they want, and you can easily make high commissions. It's also good to do reviews based on the season. So if we're in the winter season, do things like heater, pullovers, throw blankets, heater blankets, all of that. When the summer season is coming or spring is coming, you start doing things like cleaning, outdoor items, grills and outdoor chairs. Try to follow seasons and do your reviews way ahead before the season, so you're prepared when the season comes. Another way in which you can make high commissions is to review things that are actually solving a problem. People are not just buying random things, people are buying things that solve a problem. So try to review things that they help you in one way or the other. For example, this stretch mark cream, a lot of moms are suffering with stretch marks. They want to clear up their tummy. This solves a real problem. Review those things that are really practical, that okay, they're going to use it. Review household essentials. People tend to overlook household essentials because they're like, okay, maybe a lot of people have made videos on them, but those things are things that you use every day, and so you reviewing these things is going to help you get commissions. The commissions might be small, but over time, if you keep selling these things over and over again, people are using these things over and over again. If you keep selling them, your commissions are going to pile up, and then you make more money. And finally, Amazon Influencer Program is a numbers game, so you need to upload a lot of videos. Yes, I mean a lot of videos. The more you upload videos, the more you have, the higher chances of earning commissions. If you finish uploading everything from your household, you can go to your mom's house, your friend's house, upload and review things from the household as well. It's a numbers game. You always need to have products coming in, coming out. After you've uploaded or after you've reviewed everything you have in your household, at this time, I think your page will have a lot of videos. Sellers will start reaching out to you saying, okay, we love your videos, we want to collaborate with you. They want to send you free products to be able to do reviews for them. Sometimes some sellers will pay you a commission to make those reviews, and they will still send you a free product. This program is a very lucrative program. If you concentrate on it, if you put your mind to it, you can actually make a lot of money. There are people making thousands of dollars, 15,000, 20,000 a month from the Amazon Influencer Program. But like I said, it's a numbers game. The more you upload, the more chances you have to earn higher commissions. Try to follow seasonal changes. Try, if you want to do offsite as well, you can do offsite, because once you are approved for the Influencer Program, you are also approved for the affiliate program. You can share your links to social media, Pinterest is a great way for you to share your links and make more income. And so guys, that is all about the Amazon Influencer Program for today. If you have any questions or you want me to talk about anything, just let me know down in the comment section and I'll make videos on them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.